Hi, I'm Anshita. Today we will talk about activity reply feature in Microsoft Teams. Activity is where you can see all the notifications from mention to replies to conversation you have started in one place. You specify what shows up in the activity via your notification settings. Activity helps you save time in searching the information. In activity reply, you can see all the replies to your post or messages. To go on activity reply, you need to simply go at the top left corner of Teams, then select filter, which is a funnel icon, and then click on three dots appearing in the panel. Then select reply, and then you can see all the replies you have received to your post. This is how activity reply feature works. This is all for today. Thank you for watching my video. For more videos, you can subscribe to Foetron Academy channel.